Hello friends, this is Sumit and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friend, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Daifale will solve your problem in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Daifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Daifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Daifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all are aware about Dr. Vijay Daifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Now let's start the show. We have doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Smith.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction.
Yeah.
And whenever you, sir, speak on these kind of topics like sexual education, sexual dysfunction, you always take topics which are demanded by people, demanded by public. You are getting a lot of questions on your WhatsApp, you are getting many questions on your email as well. Even we are getting n number of questions on the various videos that we always share. And in that comment section, we get a lot of questions and you always check those questions, you see what is public demand and then select the topic. Like sir, you have selected this very particular, very important topic which is sexual dysfunction and dental dam. So sir, my first question is, sir, how to use dental dams? Please tell us, sir.
Yes, correct. So in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are seeing different topics by the public demand. What is sexual dysfunction? It's scientific information, and this information we are taking under one frame: time, place, person, condition, culture, safety and consulting and our own and known partner. Here we are seeing in detail about dental dam. What exactly is dental dam? During oral sex, orovaginal or oral activity, for your safety purpose, there is one latex like, again polyurethane like. This is a sheet which is kept over the vaginal and anal region. So after opening in a sterile manner, we have to tear with hands. Don't use scissor to prevent any damage. Open that total square. Don't touch on the surface which is going towards the vagina and anus, and safely you just take out the air from that, and it should go beyond the wall of vagina and beyond the wall of the anus, and this is the way how to apply on it by mild pressure and how to use it. What are the advantage? Definitely we see one by one.
Definitely. Sir, moving on to our next question. Sir, what kind of lubricants are safe with dental dams? Please tell us.
Excellent. See, by adding the lubricants specially, what happens by using lubricants in between the skin of the vaginal wall or anal region, and when you apply this dental dam, you should be snugly attached to the area. This is one help. Second thing, which applicant you have to use lubricant? Most important, water-based lubricants and specially silicone-based lubricant. These type of lubricant they are supposed to use to prevent damage to the latex material or to prevent the damage to the polyurethane material. And when using your lubricant at that time, when you are doing licking or any type of this oral sex, it gives the nice type of smooth movements and gives the enjoyment to the partner or gives the orgasm in very nice manner.
Definitely, sir. Regarding this particular topic, I have few more questions to ask. But sir, there is one phone call connected. We have call from Daniel who is connected from Belgaum. Can we take that call?
Sure.
Daniel, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Can we use plastic sheet as dental dam?
Okay.
It's very interesting.
Yes, sir.
If suppose so many people see the way you are getting very easily condom on the counters and all, you cannot get the dental dam anywhere. So in such a cases, they are asking if suppose there is any plain plastic sheet is there and again used at the dental dam. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, but what is important? It should be neat, it should be clean, and most important, there should not be any tears. So, but this is not a primary guideline. In emergency, for once use and throw purpose, you can use that, but it should be soft one. It should not be much more thicker, because if suppose it is a thicker one and this is a wrinkled one, you cannot get that enjoyment of your activity. So, that is why only one thing I will do, usually try to avoid it, or there are some other methods how to prepare it. We are going to see that very shortly.
Definitely, sir. Again, coming back to our question and answer, sir. Basically, when to replace your dental dams during activity? Please tell us.
Yeah, correct. See, this is also very important thing. What happens? So many times when there leaking is going on in vaginal region or anal region, there occurs contamination. Sometimes it gets slipped from that cover and comes down. Once you see that it has changed the place, some secretion of vaginal region, if they again come on the outer surface of this dental dam, or if you feel there is any damage to the dental dam, this is the situation. One should not proceed in this case to prevent STD, STI or any other vaginal or anal infection. So, totally change it and go for a new piece of a dental dam in such a case.
Definitely, sir. One very important question: can someone make their own dental dams, or how to make your own dental dam? Please tell us.
Excellent. So, what I was telling, on counters it is very difficult to get a dental dam. You have to borrow it online, or if suppose in emergency you have to use it. So, what is the method? So, take your routine condom, de-roll it, open that condom totally, do not apply the fingers inside. After opening that surface, cut the tip of the condom, then cut that ring part of the condom and make a vertical slit throughout the condom. So, it will open and it will become like a dental dam. It is so easy, and then use that surface for the purpose of leaking or orovaginal or oral sex. This is the other way. Even that side should be a larger one, that is most important, and it should cover the vaginal part and anal part completely, then only it can give the good protection. So, this is a very simple method.
Definitely, sir. We have one more caller actually on the show. We have Sakshi from Walkeshwar. Can we take that call?
Yeah, sure.
Sakshi, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Whether any allergy occurs due to dental dam and how to treat it?
Yeah, excellent. Again, it's a very common thing. Now, we have told you have to cut the condom upper end, lower end and use that material. You know that, Sumit, even condom is also having allergy to the front person in the form of rashes, in the form of allergy, in the form of itching. By the same way, the person who is sensitive to this type of latex material, they can get allergy, they can get infection, they can get itching. So, in this duration, you have to visit sexologist, urologist and urologist, stop that using that material. Now, change to polyurethane material or go for the material which is non-irritant and non-allergic to that person by showing to sexologist, urologist and urologist. Definitely, you can take this new type of dental dam and prevent such type of complications.
Definitely, sir. Again, coming back to our question and answer, we are actually speaking about dental dams and how to use dental dams. So, sir, can someone reuse their dental dams once or twice? Please tell us.
Yes, correct. See, this is a very simple thing, but we must know. What people feel, this is just simple sheet only and I use once only and again I will wash it and reuse it. No, on any cost you are not supposed to reuse it, because by using it again, by washing by soap or any other material, you definitely tear that dental dam. Sometimes which is inside outside you cannot understand. So, in such a cases, previously the surface which is applied towards the vaginal side, and when it get reversed and it comes to your oral side, then what to do? You get infected. So, friends, on any cost, don't reuse any type of dental dam.
Definitely. Sir, one last and one very important question. Sir, what is latex underwear? Please.
Yes, correct. It's something funny part. See, some companies used to prepare latex underwear, means they create such underwear in a cut size so that it will cover vaginal part, it will cover anal part and it is holded at the waist. It's like a routine undergarments. So, such type of latex, your lingeries are also available, with the help of which you can go for the oral sex anal sex or for the leaking also. So friends, only one thing I'll tell you, whenever you are going for such type of activity, always use dental dam, single time, quality one, branded one, and the guidelines which I have given just now, and keep yourself safe from STD, STI and other type of infections.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all this valuable information. But sir, due to time constraint, we have to stop here in this particular episode. But definitely, we'll meet in one more episode with different topic and definitely a valuable information.
Yeah, sure.
But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Devapalli's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Devapalli has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai, specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Well friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.